If you're experiencing lag spikes on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help speed up your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System, then System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your PS5 completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot your console into safe mode. From there, select the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Manage storage. Check your storage space and delete any unnecessary games or applications. Go to Settings, then Storage to see what is taking up space and remove items you no longer need. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the game settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings or turning off features like ray tracing can help reduce lag during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience on the PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming.